Hello friends, I am Vaishnavi from Radiance. Today we'll be talking about transportation in plants, looking at some interesting experiments and the types of root systems. Experiment on absorption of water by roots. Experiment number 1. We have taken two containers P and Q, both filled with water, and we have also poured some oil on the top. Do you find some difference in both the containers? Yes, container P has a plant in it, but container Q just has oil and water. In this setup, container Q is a control. Control is a setup in which the condition under study is absent. Hence, the plant is absent. We leave the setup for some time. When we return, we see that there is a decrease in the level of water in container P. But the level of water in container Q undergoes no change. This is because the roots of the plant in container P absorb water. But as the plant is absent in container Q, there is no visible change. Now there are certain questions related to this experiment. Why is the oil added? The oil is added so that the water doesn't escape the container due to evaporation. Hence, it is proved by this experiment that roots absorb water and transfer it to all plant parts, as only the roots are in contact with the water. Now, let's have a look at one more experiment. You can see that we have taken some water in a beaker and added a solution which imparts a red color to it. Now look at the veins of the leaves. They appear to be red. This is because the roots absorb the red colored water and provided it to the leaves and other plant parts. Hence it is again proved that roots absorb water. Let's have a look at the different types of root systems now. Taproot system and fibrous root system. In taproot system, you can see a single long root and various smaller and shorter roots connected to it. Fibrous root system. In this, you can see a bunch of roots gathered together and have all entangled amongst themselves. Now to get a better example of taproot system, I'll give you an example. Have you seen many small streets connected to a main road? So the main road resembles to the longer route and the many small streets resemble to the smaller and shorter roots. Taproot system is found in dicot seeds and fibrous root system is found in monocot seeds. Now let's see what are monocot and dicot seeds. Monocot seeds have one cotyledon, whereas dicot seeds have two cotyledons. Let's look at a video for a better understanding. We have taken two seeds, monocot seed and dicot seeds. Now let's try. Can you see it is not getting broken, it's just getting smashed? Now we will try breaking this dicot seed into two parts. It easily got broken into two equal halves. This is one cotyledon and this is the other cotyledon. So did you find the difference between the monocot and the dicot seeds? This is a monocot seed which didn't get broken and the other one is a dicot seed which got broken into two cotyledons. Main roots and lateral roots. The thicker and longer root is the main root or the primary root, and the thinner and smaller roots are the secondary roots. I hope you liked the video. Kindly share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.